We're now going to go in our favorite spot with our favorite guy. Russell, what's up, bud?
It's good.
What are we talking about today?
Today we are talking about a knife that we just got in on consignment. This is a Three Rivers Manufacturing, or TRM, their Atom liner lock. So this one is in the textured gray G10 with CPM 20 CV blade. All the hardware is titanium, I believe. And it's one of the early production models that came with these little rubber O-rings on the thumb stud. They are removable. It does come with extra. The customer really liked that feel and wanted to make sure he had more of them. So just nice. I mean, I'd call it a spear point. I believe they call it a drop point, but honestly, I'd say that's more of a spear point. It does come brand new in box with all the swag in there. There's some stickers and some other TRM swag. It is made completely in the USA, proudly represented on the blade, and so it is up and available for sale if you're looking for one. From the research we did, there is not many of them in stock anywhere else in the country, so if you're looking for one, you can pick it up.
Right on, y'all. Well, we'll wrap it up here and start off the week. See you tomorrow.